Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey back in time, to the land of the pharaohs, where mysteries abound and wonders unfold. In this exploration, we'll unravel the secrets behind the colossal structures that have stood the test of millennia, the magnificent pyramids of Egypt. But first, let's step into the bustling life of ancient Egypt, where the extraordinary was an everyday affair. As the sun cast its golden glow over the Nile, the ancient Egyptians embarked on a monumental undertaking, the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Imagine, if you will, a structure so immense that it consists of over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each carefully placed to form a testament to human ingenuity. Contrary to popular belief, the architects of these marvels were not slaves, but skilled laborers and craftsmen who dedicated their expertise to create a lasting legacy. The construction spanned 2 decades during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu in the 26th century BCE, showcasing meticulous planning and unwavering determination. How were these colossal stones transported and lifted into place? The methods remain shrouded in mystery. Some propose the use of elaborate ramps, while others suggest a combination of straight and zigzagging inclines. Whatever the method, the alignment and precision achieved by the ancient builders are nothing short of astonishing. In the heart of the Giza Plateau, the Great Pyramid stands as a testament to the mathematical and architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. The ratio of its perimeter to height nearly equals 2p, revealing a profound understanding of mathematical constants that would baffle even modern minds.